Hey everybody, Dan Stovus in Paducah Ford, your Bronco headquarters. The elusive tube doors are finally here. These things Ford's been saying you can get for almost 2 years now, and they haven't been available. Guess what? We got them. So we're gonna install them today. Kevin's gonna help me out. You can lift this stuff with one person, but when you're talking about not wanting to scuff things up, if you got a buddy, use a buddy. All right, so let's get to work. One door off. Obviously taking them off is super simple. Just make sure you have a nice safe place to set them down so you don't scratch them up, place to store it. But there's one door.
This is how you pop these door wiring harness off. Pull right here and pull out. It comes right off.
Boom.
Different size bolt.
So you got shims, for every door, if you need one for every door. This is the third one we've put on, and we haven't had to make any adjustments at all. We did a minor little lowering of this bracket here. Nothing major, really easy to do. All right, there you go. The two on the passenger side went right in there with no adjustments necessary, very easy. The two on the driver's side did need a small bit of adjustment. This one we just had to take down just a little bit on this bracket, no big deal. And this one we did shim, put one little shim in there. The way it fits, maybe put another shim here, but it does fit pretty tight. So, it's a matter of, just tweak it to where it fits best. And as you use things, you might have to add a shim or take a shim out. If you're taking them on and off, eventually you might have to adjust them. So you got to hang on to those shims because you will need to use these here and there. But I tell you, it's super easy, so it's not a big deal. And there's your top. We've done top videos before, but just to show you, if you want to go from, closed in air conditioning on to open air, it took us 14 minutes to do the doors and a minute and a half to do the top, after another 30 seconds to drop it. And you're open air living the dream. Soft tops do come with a little Velcro strap that you can do here for some extra security, but this thing ain't going anywhere. I don't think you need the Velcro strap, but some people may want it. Get yourself inside, pull your little thing here, hop on in. Go make some people jealous. All right, so there you go. We got 4 tube doors on. First time around in 14 minutes. I think after you do this once, it's probably less than 10 minutes to get yourself that open air feel. These things are awesome. If you feel them, they're heavy, but you can still pick them up. They're solid. I love this little grab handle. Man, if you don't have these, then you ain't the coolest guy on the block with a Bronco, I promise you that. So give us a shout, we'll get you some orders. Word to the wise, anytime you're gonna have a Bronco that you're gonna be open air, get yourself one of these little safes. Keep your valuables safe. That way you can tootle around and not worry about anybody stealing your stuff. Another great Ford accessory. There's also one that you can put in the rear cargo compartment too, but I think most people like this little guy right here. You can put your wallet, sunglasses, jewelry if you got it, and keep it safe. So make sure you follow us right here on our page, Paducah Ford on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram, Warthog Broncos, TikTok, Warthog Broncos. We post tons of content on customization, upfits, lifts, specialty Ford accessories, aftermarket accessories. We got another one coming up here in another few days. It's going to be incredible. So if you want to see all that content, follow us, hit the bell so you get the reminder. Also, we post a lot of videos that are talking about interesting things going on with Ford, new vehicles, how-tos like this one right here, and also recall updates. So anything in the world of Ford, make sure you follow us. The brand new F-150 Lightning. Check out our drag racing video. That one's awesome. And just check us out. Thanks.